Welcome guys, this is Muhammad Saqib and we are learning Python programming language. So in last lecture we have learned about sets. So today's lecture is all about practicing sets. So I have divided into 6 or 7 questions. So what we are doing, we're going to find union, intersection, difference of set and superset, subset, and also we will be checking if there are common elements in the set or not, and at last we will be checking that element that represent either in first set or second set but not in both sets. So let's start quickly. We will create two sets A and B. There are two methods to create set. I will create one set using first method and second set using the second method. So first create using first method. So I will be adding element 1 2 3. You know that there are elements, there are no repetition in elements in the set. So I will be creating for number 1 to 10. Okay, this is set A and there is a set B. I will be creating using B 1 like 4 5 9, or I can say 11 and 13 15. These are some element in a other set. Okay, this is a first method. Okay, first method. And second, to create second method is using set function. Okay, for example I will write set and then I will write double brackets. Okay, and between double bracket I will write for example 3 5 7 9 11 13. Okay, I hope that's clear to you. There, that's the second method to create the set, second method. Okay, and now what you need to find, first we need to find union of A and B. So in last lecture we have seen the two methods to find the union of set. So to find the union, in the last lecture, to find the union of two sets we have seen two methods. One of them is using union function and second was using update. So I can find like update. If I use to find update, I will write a dot update and I will write B. So this will be adding A element with B element. For example, I will want to check the A. Now A will be updated with the B's element. Let's check if A have all the element. So you can see that A have all the element of itself and also the other element of 11 and 13 from this set, because 3 5 7 9 was already present in the A set. Okay, this was the first method using of updating, finding union. Second one was using a union function. Okay, how I will do, I will write another set C is equal to A dot union and I will write between union B. So now you can see that A and B are united to form C. Now let's check it. You can see the output is same. So union is, we have learnt union. Okay, so right now I am commenting it. Okay, because we have learned it how to find union, or we can print union. Okay, like I am saying union. Okay, so union is done. Now I want to find intersection. So intersection is find using intersection method and also using AND method. Okay, for example I am trying to find intersection. I will write C is equal to A dot intersection B. Now if I am print C, it will only display the common element between A and B. You can see the common element are 9 3 5 7. These are common element present in the set. I can write intersection. For example I am writing print intersection. So I hope you have learned it, how to find union, how to find intersection, how to create set. Both method I have told you, using simple bracket or using constructor set method. Okay, so union intersection both are very easy using union method or using update method. Intersection can also be found using A and B. C is equal to A and B, and method also find the intersection. Okay, this is the second method to find the intersection. If we run it, we can see the output is same. It is also displaying the common elements. Okay, so next question is the difference. So we want to find the difference. I want to print difference Difference is also very simple. We can first method is using c is equal to a minus b. We can simply find mathematical operation, and if I want to print c, it will print the element of b, the a that are not present in the b. So now you will want to find the difference. To find difference of a from b, there is a method known as difference. What I will write c is equal to a dot difference, and between that I will write b. Now if I am printing c, what it will print? It will be printing the difference of a from b, means that all element of a that are not present in the b. So if I am running it, you can see that element of a that are not present in b are 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, now difference is also clear to you. Okay, and second method of finding difference is a using simpler mathematical operation. C is equal to a minus b. Now if I am running it, you can say the result is also same. Okay.